Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got one question for you guys. What's freaking cooking? Well, I can tell you what's gonna be cooking today at the Real Kitchen Daddy's Kitchen. Okay, we're gonna make some quick backyard burgers. When I mean backyard burgers, I mean those old school house burgers. When I say those house burgers, you know what I mean, you old schoolers. Okay guys, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get the peppers and the onion into the food processor. Let me put my lid on real quick. Once again, I said it's gonna be a fast process. I'm gonna throw my peppers down here. Loosen the onion a little bit. Throw the onion down here. Put my lid on. Good enough, good enough, good enough. Okay, take my lid off, take the blade out. Take my pepper, drop it in there. Once I drop that in there, I'm gonna take one egg. I'm gonna drop my one egg into the mix. Some seasoning here. Once again, do it to your own taste. More seasoning. A little liquid smoke. A couple teaspoons of this Worcestershire sauce. Once we have all your ingredients in, gonna go with the magic hands again. Gonna mix it all up. Get in there really good. Mix it up really, really well. Get the peppers and get the onions in there. Get that liquid smoke, that Worcestershire sauce, the all seasoning salt, the Monterey steak sauce in there. So make it pop. Go make it pop. House burgers, baby. Make these house burgers pop. Back in the day. We didn't have too much back in the day, but what we had was good. So we could make these house burgers be the best burgers ever. So I'm making this into like a little loaf here. I got it all mixed in there real good. Got it all mixed in there real good. Got it a loaf. Got a little ball going. And one of the things I do have to tell you that I have here, I have this little hamburger patty maker type of thing. 2 plastic pieces. This is the bottom piece and this is the top piece. And I have this because I'm gonna pull off the ball here. No particular order. And guess what I'm gonna do? Made into a little ball. I'm gonna put it into the hamburger maker and I'm gonna just smush it down. So it comes up with a consistent hamburger patty. Get another ball. Made this one a little bit thicker. This one's for the boy, because he asked for this. I always ask him, making me do those things while he's upstairs playing video games right now. But I don't mind it. He needs some weight. Pounder right there, boy. That's nice and thick. All right, this last one, only making 3 patties today. My leftover patty, my leftover hamburger mixture, I'm just gonna freeze for later. Once again. What you can do sometimes, if it doesn't do it well, see how that one has a little bit of inconsistency? I'm gonna throw it back in there. I'm getting me another ball. I like my burgers to look pretty. Pretty and tasty, delicious burgers. Mush it down again. Mush it down again. Put it in my little tray. Bam! 3 beautiful burgers we got here. So that's how quick it was, folks. I used my food processor here. I threw some seasoning in here, some liquid smoke, some Worcestershire sauce in here. Had my little hamburger patty maker right here. Now the burgers are made. Now I'm gonna take these burgers, I'm gonna put it on the barbecue. Hey folks, I'm out here on the barbecue right now. So I got a Vision grill right here. And this Vision grill is a ceramic egg type grill, not the green eggs, can't afford a green egg. But what I can do is afford this Vision grill. Temperature right now is about 500 degrees. I'm about to put these burgers on the grill right now. Look at this fire right here is going. Woo! Look at that smoke. Look at that smoke. Put them right on his grill. I'm gonna calm it down just a little bit because I don't want to burn my burgers up. And I'll see you folks in about 20 minutes on the finished product. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I have completed the cooking process of the burgers on the grill. As you can see, I showed you some close-up of how the burgers came out. Once again, you cannot see the green peppers or the onions that I put in there. Also, I smacked a little more Worcestershire sauce on there on the grill when I was cooking it. You can do that also as a little trick, give it a little bit added flavor. You can dress up your burger however you want to dress up your burger. Here, we're kind of plain. I'm gonna throw some cheese, some lettuce, some spicy mustard on mine. Kids gonna throw some ketchup or some barbecue on theirs, and then we'll call it a day. Once again, quick meals, it's simple, you can do it. Whoever thought that anybody have forgotten about the house burgers back in the day? But this is a new style house burger, folks. This is from the Kitchen Daddy, okay? Talk to you later. Peace.